Hello, everybody. We would like to invite you to attend the GEIA session at the 16th IGAC conference, which will take place on September 14 between 12 and 14 UTC. GEIA is an IGAC activity founded in 1990 from a community initiative, bridging science and policy, bringing together people, data, and tools, creating and communicating emissions information. GEIA is a key forum for emissions knowledge because actions and decisions about the atmosphere focus on emissions. GEIA serves stakeholders in a rapidly evolving global society. How are we organized? Around a GEIA network and web portal, GEIA core activity is based on three objectives: access, analysis, and community. What about community? GEIA, it is 2,000 people worldwide with a scientific steering committee with 2 co-chairs, 1 database manager, and 1 network manager. IGAD is the GEIA emission data portal, providing access to inventories with easy-to-use tools. Today, we have 6 GEIA working groups, covering other regional activities, China, Latin America, Africa, or thematic activities around VOC, urban emissions, and COVID-19 emissions. GEIA, this is also events. The GEIA conference first. Last one was in 2020, hosted by Chile. Next one will be hosted by Belgium. Other events like workshop, such as the one scheduled in next October, organized by the GEIA COVID-19 working group. But our event today is an IGAC virtual conference with a session dedicated to GEIA program. This session will last 2 hours. First, with an introduction, first part with an oral presentation, second part with a summary of the posters, and finally, a panel discussion followed by the summary of the session. The oral presentation will be a very interesting mix of recent works on emissions covering many regions: East Asia, Chile, China, high northern latitude, West Africa, India, US, many activities: ship, transport, biomass burning, waste burning, and many species: black carbon, biogenic isoprene, VOCs, etc. The second part will be animated by a few steering committee members presenting the summary of all the posters dealing with global and regional anthropogenic emission inventories, urban emission inventories, VOC emissions, emission change linked to COVID, land use, meteorological factors, national planning, then biomass burning emission, and finally soil and oceanic emissions. Thanks for your attention. Looking forward to seeing you online at the GEIA session.